Next thing we're going to talk about is our mean, median, and mode. So with the mean, this is what you have known as the average. And typically you guys come in to Algebra 1 with a pretty good understanding of these three. So if I go a little quick, make sure you ask some questions in class. So mean would be the average, so we add them up and divide by how many they are. Median, right? Keep in mind we're talking about the middle. For this, we do want to have them in order. And for the mode is MO, most often. So the one that happens most often is the mode. Alright, so as we go here, we want to find the mean of the group. So make sure we always understand mean is the arithmetic average of a group of numbers. So if we have the mean of a set of numbers, I'm not worried about putting them in order for this. Okay, I just want to add them up. Okay, so add the numbers together. So we have 96. Remember, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 numbers. So we'll divide it by 6. So the mean is 16. So just going through, using a calculator, using our brain, whatever you have to do to get through those. Okay, so we want to practice that. So at this point, you probably want to find the mean for all these. So you want to go through and pause the video right now, and when you come back, I'm going to have answers. Alright, so we're going to give you a few answers here, so you can check these out. All we do is add them up. So what you should have done on your own there is add these up, get a grand total, and divide by how many there are. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Right, the median, so this time is the middle number in a set of ordered numbers. So when we talk about the median, I do have to put them in order. So a little bit more work involved, but nothing that you cannot handle. You know exactly how to put numbers in order. So we're going to arrange them from greatest to least. So 18, 19, 20, 23, and 26. Find the number in the middle. What I like to do is start at one end, cross out the other one, and opposite, and opposite, and opposite. So we do have the median. The median is 20. That's how we do that. Now, if there are two middle numbers, how do I find the median? So here we do have these 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 26. So if I were to use the same method and start crossing them out, I have two numbers in the middle. So here's what we have to do. I'm actually going to find the mean of the two numbers in the middle. So out of the 2, so 20 and 22, I'm going to add them up, get 42, and divide by 2, because we're dealing only with these two numbers. So the median is 21. So although it's not in the list, it is the middle number to the list. Alright, let's practice these. So again, please pause. You're going to try this, put them in order. And we're finding the median right now. Finding the median, so go ahead and pause. Alright, welcome back. So hopefully you got all these right. If you didn't, please check. Again, we're going to arrange them in order. And then cross them out starting from left and right, right, left, left, right. However you want to do that, going back and forth to find the median. Alright, to find the mode is the number that appears most frequently. Okay, I say most often because it helps me. It says MO for mode. That you say most frequently. It means the same thing in a set of numbers. Okay, so if we want to find the mode, again, it usually is best to put them in order from least to greatest. Probably not required to find a number most often, but when I do see this, I start to see that they are paired right next to each other, which makes it a lot easier to find the mode instead of trying to bounce your eyes back and forth. So the mode is 26, most often. Alright, again, for small groups of numbers, I don't know if you have to put these in order. Your eye can probably keep track of all of it. But go ahead and pause it again and try to find the mode most often. back again. So it is 12, 50, 4, and 25. You know, these aren't too bad. They're pretty obvious, like the 25. They threw these all 3 in a row. There's only 6 of them, so that's a pretty good chance to be in the mode. Alright, what we're going to do with the last slide that you have is find the mean, median, and mode. So we want to make sure that you know the difference, and we can solve all those. And we'll start by checking these answers when you come into class. Okay, so if you have questions about how to find any of them, please go back to that part of the video where we laid out the basics, and then we'll write down any questions you have and bring them to class. All right, great job.